In this video, I'll show you how you can choose your region when you're signing up in League of Legends. Now what you want to do is you want to search for League of Legends sign up, head over to the sign up page, and from in here what you want to do is just simply fill in this information. It's just your email, username and password and all of that. And don't worry, there's nothing regional here, so just select your language, email and all that stuff. After you've done that, what you want to do is you want to open up your Riot client, select League of Legends and press play after you've logged into your account. Now when you press play, there should be an option to make a Riot ID. I just made my Riot ID like 1 second ago. So once you made your Riot ID, when you press play next time, it will ask you where you want to play. As you can see, I can choose my region right here. And if I select the EU West and my language like this, press OK, my League of Legends account will now be on the EU West. Now keep in mind, you cannot change this again unless you pay for it with real money. So be sure you choose the correct server, and now my account is on the EU West server. So simply create your account, open up the Riot client, press on the League of Legends, create your Riot ID, and then go play, and you can select the server from in here. Now I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.